Sa tagumpay na performance ng buong grupo, heto ang mensahe ni Kim Chu bilang pasasalamat sa lahat. I just want to take a moment to express my deep gratitude for all the hard work, dedication, and team spirit each of you has shown. In such a short amount in time, we've managed to come together and deliver a performance that is nothing short of remarkable. It's incredible that we achieved, and it's all thanks to everyone playing their part and going the extra mile. Each one of you brought your unique strengths to the table, and the way we collaborated was the true essence of teamwork. It's not just about the outcome, but about how we work as a team, supporting each other, and finding solutions together. I couldn't have asked for a better group of people to work with. Thank you for all your commitment and contributions. I consider myself incredibly lucky to be part of this team. At pati na din sa malalapit na tao sa kanya, pinaabot niya ang kanyang pasasalamat at sa mga nag-yes para sa grupo nila. Tigil, hinga, kalma. Mga netizen na kapanood, ito ang kanilang nasasabi. Mixed emotions, grabe. But nangingibabaw ang galing lalo ka na Kimi. I was out of words, while watching you. Sobrang galing mo Kimi, you've given us all the emotions. You're giving your 100% always. Grabe sobrang pinahanga mo kami. Napaiyak ako kasi ramdam ko ang pagod at pagpersigi mo, pero para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, lumalaban ka. Congrats Kimi and God bless you always.
Thank you for watching.